Hello again, colorful creators! Are you ready to create this adorable little cat craft? First, gather up some recycled artwork. We're using a lot of watercolor paintings here that we've made in the past. And we're going to draw some lines on the back of them, dividing them into rectangles and squares, and then cut those out. You're going to want a lot of different sizes and shapes of squares and rectangles here. And once you get all that done, give yourself a round of applause. That was a lot of cutting. Now it's time to draw our cat-shaped heads. We're going to begin with a big U shape, filling up as much of the space as possible. And then align a little bit of the ways down from the top, and from each of the corners of the U's, draw a line inwards, which will make a triangle shape for those ears. And what's next? You guessed it, more cutting. Now we're grabbing our acrylic paint markers. I absolutely love these. They are just so great for so many different projects. I'll link a similar set in the description below, as well as all the supplies. So if you're curious about something specific that maybe wasn't mentioned, be sure to check the description. Now the beauty of these is that really there is no right or wrong way to do it. I'm doing some eyes, a nose, a little mouth, and the ears, and then adding some fun little texture and details. I'll show you my son's in just a second, and he just went to town and I absolutely loved it. He used so many different colors as well as shapes and line types, and it just ended up looking really cool. We each made several different variations of this project, so the possibilities are endless. Like, you can keep coming up with so many different combinations, which is so much fun. I love how art is just so versatile. It's so unique to each person. You can use the colors that you like, maybe the types of lines that you like. Maybe you like more curved lines instead of more straight lines. It's all personalized for you. If you have an idea for a craft that you want to see us make, email us and let us know at hello@colorfullart.com. We would love to create projects that you're passionate about and help you navigate that and learn new and exciting ways to create. Some cute little polka dots and some whiskers for this cat. And if you want to make yours into a wall hanging or garland, just use some yarn and some tape to make that happen. Thanks so much for creating with us. Would you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that we can create more memories and masterpieces together?